find another one, and I'll make it so we get one for you first. Now, don't put it too tight around the neck.
Oh, that's really uncomfortable because of this.
We're going to loosen it a little bit. But it has to
I don't know how to loosen it.
You have to think about it.
Better.
It's just going to be a little bit of a phobia thing. I'll slide them on.
It's not coming out.
Yeah, they are.
They're not. They're... Ow. Oh, that's not comfortable.
Because you don't need them. You don't need the sunglasses anyway.
Why are you laughing at me?
This is hilarious.
Oh, I forgot my... Well, you didn't get it.
You're like it was out here.
No.
You're like a 4-year-old.
There's a bottle of water in the fridge.
Give me a bottle of water.
Give me a bottle of water. You're like a 4-year-old. Like, I don't know why it doesn't fit. What?
I feel like a fucking spaceman.
Okay, say that again. Say that again.
Like a fucking spaceman.
What are you looking at?
Oh, those are all frozen.
I don't know.
How come they're not frozen?
But it's like, ew, those are all frozen. Wait, why aren't they frozen?
Come on, Darth Vader.
I don't know what to do with them. Didn't you have something put it in?
No, I haven't bought anything. Here's what I put in mine.
And I have to hold on with one hand.
No, you have to hold on at all.
Yeah, you've got a sissy bar.
I think I'm gonna.
That ain't gonna fit there. You're gonna put it in the purse. That's what I said.
What is in your purse?
You really don't.
I'll just drink yours.
You don't.
What's in your purse?
My phone.
Oh. Put it in your pocket.
Fuck no, it's already bad.
Yeah, I really don't need the extra phone. So
Huh?
I'm debating if I need the extra phone, but that's just in case.
Ow, touch my glass.
I have.
Wait, what happened to your little ski mask thingy?
Some right here, just in case.
Oh, this is gonna be fun.
This is gonna be fun.
Will you sit in there?
Yeah.
I'm jealous of you right now. Move it. It's like twist it against the other one.
Hmm?
Twist the other extra against the other part. You look so little. Might wanna, Mom.
I'm tired.
Mom. Bye.
You don't have to come on.
She's scared though. She's saying, oh my god. Scared. So scared. Scared to death. Oh my god. This is fun. And off to the deck they go. I am so jealous right now. Yeah.